Welcome to this video. Today, we'll discover the names of household items we use every day in a fun and easy way for everyone. Listen and repeat after me to build your vocabulary and practice clear pronunciation. Let's get started. Chair. This is a chair. Table. This is a table. Couch. This is a couch. Bed. This is a bed. Mattress. This is a mattress. Blanket. This is blanket. Pillow. This is a pillow. Cushion. This is a cushion. Lamp. This is a lamp. Curtains. This is a curtains. Carpet. This is a carpet. Rug. This is a rug. Fan. This is a fan. Heater. This is a heater. Clock. This is a clock. Mirror. This is a mirror. Shelf. This is a shelf. Painting. This is a painting. Window. This is a window. Wardrobe. This is a wardrobe. Drawer. This is a drawer. Plate. This is a plate. Bowl. This is a bowl. Laptop. This is a laptop. TV. This is a TV. Cup. This is a cup. Mug. This is a mug. Spoon. This is a spoon. Fork. This is a fork. Knife. This is a knife. Microwave. This is a microwave. Stove. This is a stove. Toaster. This is a toaster. Broom. This is a broom. Mop. This is a mop. Hairbrush. This is a hairbrush. Duster. This is a duster. Sponge. This is a sponge. Bucket. This is a bucket. Cattle. This is a kettle. Vacuum cleaner. This is a vacuum cleaner. Refrigerator. This is a refrigerator. Washing machine. This is a washing machine. Comb. This is a comb. Glass. This is a glass. Dustpan. This is a dustpan. Toothbrush. This is a toothbrush. Toothpaste. This is a toothpaste. Floss. This is a floss. Bookshelf. This is a bookshelf.
Please subscribe. Thank you for watching.